Hello and welcome. You're with IndiaPostLive.com, India's first live interactive web television. This is a platform where all of you can engage with us as we discuss different issues. You can write into us your posts, you can send us your video comments, you can tweet us at #IndiaPostLive and @IndiaPostLive. And of course, you can join us live during our conversations simply by clicking on a participation button request. Well, do you remember the time when you fell in love? I'm sure for many of us it was when we were in college. But the whole game of rejection, of asking the person or expressing your love for the person, being rejected, asking the person or out on a date, complimenting the person, these things always felt so awkward and something we could never really bring ourselves to do. So many of us shied away from that entirely beautiful experience altogether. Well, not anymore. Express your love. That was the basic philosophy by which a group of young people started an app. It's called Elop, and this was started by 5 young entrepreneurs from Kerala. And you will remember that the entire Kiss of Love episode that happened again about freely being able to express your love, your affection and your fondness for the other person. So that makes talking about Elop more relevant now. Remember, today is also Monday. Monday is the day when we focus on entrepreneurs. So we are going to be talking about Elop. And joining me, I have Akash. Right. Monday is the day when we do Entrepreneurs. Today is Friday. But joining me is Akash Mathew. Akash is the founder and CEO of Elop. And I have Suraj Thomas. Suraj Thomas is the Marcom head or the marketing communication head of Elop, and both of them join us from Kochi to tell us more about the app and this wonderful venture of expressing your love made easy, and more importantly, you can do it anonymously. Let me first go across to them and then we will play the video of exactly how this app works. Okay, Akash, welcome to India Post Live. Sorry about the error. I was so excited to have entrepreneurs on my show. I thought it's the beginning of the week. Well, that's the kind of energy level I have just thinking about the fact that we have an app called Elop. So tell me, how did you get this idea about launching this app?
Well, we started our company back in college during our second year BTech. We did few service projects, and then we thought we should do a product. Look at WhatsApp, look at Twitter. Those apps are very simple, but it solves a problem. When we were in college, the biggest problem was, it's not exactly a problem, but falling in love was something which is important.
Right.
And people found it difficult to express love, especially when they are in love with their best friends. Like, it might destroy your friendship or things might become awkward. So that's why we thought of building this app, an app which can help you express your feelings to someone who you know. Because at that time, when you look, there are a lot of apps, let's say dating apps, which lets you find random people, but not many of them help in connecting with your friends or someone
Right.
who you know. So we thought we should build an app for that.
Lovely. What are you doing exactly? Are you a college student? What are you doing in life?
Right now, we are running this company.
But have you completed your college or are you still in college?
No, right now we have graduated. It's been a year.
All right. Okay. Let me go across to Suraj Thomas. Suraj is the Marcom head of the company. It's called CIED, right? The name of the company. The app is Elop, but the company is CIED, right, Suraj?
Yes, it's CID. It stands for Conquering Imaginations, Expectations, and Dreams.
Conquering imaginations, expectations, and dreams.
Yes.
Lovely, lovely. That's a fantastic. And what have you studied? What have you studied in college?
Sorry?
What has your basic education been in? Are you an MBA or have you just
Nothing.
graduated?
The major part of the team are basically BTech students,
BTech.
computer engineers.
Okay.
I did communication mass communication.
You've done mass comm. Great. All right. Okay. Now, before, welcome to India Post Live, and we're going to talk to you about what exactly this app does and how one can use it. But just to make things easier for our audience, let's bring you a small video on how this app actually works, and then we'll hear more details about it from my guests. Take a look.
So you like someone, and you want to express your feelings. You send them flowers? A love letter? Fall on your knees, maybe? Well, if they say yes, lucky you. Way to go, stud! But if the answer is no, rejection, embarrassment, awkward. How would you know if they're interested and up to mingle? Well, there's a way. Introducing Elope. Ta-da! Now you can secretly convey your love to your crush anonymously. None of that posting, sharing, or tagging business. All you gotta do is add your crush to your crush list and notify them anonymously. Your awesome count lets you know how popular you are. You can also invite your friends and earn coins. And use them to send your crush hints. Or even dedicate songs to them. Your crush can like your hints and dedication. And if your crush adds you too, you get matched! How sweet is that? So quit wasting time and take that first step. Give your love story a chance to happen. Express love with Elope.
Express love with Elope. I was calling it Elope. Is it Elope or Elope? Elope.
It's Elope.
Are you sure? I mean, I thought it's about expressing love because I get the E and the LO. What does P stand for?
It's supposed to be Express Love app, but then we did a small adjustment and we just left the spelling, so there is something,
Creative freedom there. Okay, no, but I don't know. I mean, calling it elope kind of seems like you're encouraging people to run away with each other, isn't it? No?
That is the idea. We, especially to the people whom we are appealing to, we are looking to, promote our product.
Yeah.
We wanted the name to be thought-provoking. And elope, in sense, is freedom of expressing love. And that is exactly what we are trying to do here through our efforts. To reach out to young people and tell them, they should take the freedom, they should take the privilege to express love.
All right, let me get back to Akash on that. Akash, how many months has it been since you've launched this app?
Last February.
Last?
Yeah.
All right, and how many registered users do you have?
25,000.
25,000.
34,000 plus.
34,000 plus already. My
Yeah.
God. Okay, now I just want to understand one thing. I was just seeing in the video that if you have a crush on someone, you add them to the crush list,
Yes.
right? So that person already has to be there in my contact list. Is that how it works?
That person has to be in your Facebook friends list or a friend of it.
Okay, it has that person has to be in my Facebook list, and then I can add that person as my secret crush, and I can make dedications, I can pay compliments, and I can get my friends to kind of do some Cupid work for me, and that person in question does not know who I am.
Yeah, until and unless that person adds you to your crush.
Awesome. See, it's as interesting, as exciting, and as easy as that. So if you like someone and that person happens to be in your Facebook list, which of course mostly is the case, you can't really have a crush on an anonymous person you've met, or you've just seen walking down the street or in the train, in the metro. So all you have to do is add that person as your crush, and that's it. You're free to say how pretty she is, or how good looking he is, and you can also make song dedications to that person and keep your fingers crossed that it hits the mark and the person adds you back. So that's such a wonderful work the team at Elope, I stand corrected, not Elope, is doing and bringing people together. All right, Suraj, let me get back to you. As Marcom, Marcom head, what did you have to do to get more and more people to know about this app? What was your marketing strategy, and what was the kind of investment that you guys had to do initially?
Our idea was basically to promote the product on a personal level rather than on the mainstream. Since it involves the emotion of love, we thought it would be a better way to promote the product if we are going to at a personal level, where a friend suggesting the product rather than direct advertising. So now we are handling doing a little of content marketing. We have a Facebook page where we update posts, information, useful information for users regarding love and relationships. We have a blog where we update new articles, tips, etc. So that is the main marketing thing that we are doing. And on the side, we are focusing campuses in close communities like office campuses, colleges, where we are building a network of campus ambassadors, student ambassadors who would represent us and promote us on a very personal level. On there, it's basically reaching small friend groups and spreading from there.
Right, and that is the perfect age, right? Because that is the age where there is still a certain amount of shyness, there is a certain amount of reticence, right, in expressing.
Yes.
Right, all right, all right. Akash, tell me, how, when you thought of this app, how much time did it take for you to get the technology in place? And because this technology is obviously, the anonymity of this app is what makes it so appealing.
Well, building the basic version just took us 1 week. It was just a desktop app.
Right.
When we started with our mobile development, it took us around 2 months for everything.
2 months.
Yeah.
That is not much time at all for something like this. Okay, and you guys are also not aware of who your users are, right?
Well,
How do you trace? I mean, of course, somebody is downloading, so that person becomes, somebody is installing the app on the phone, or that person becomes your user. But you're not aware of the identity of the user, isn't it?
I didn't get it.
Sorry?
I didn't get it.
Okay, I asked you that, if the person is downloading and installing the app on the phone, then you know that somebody has downloaded and installed the app, but you do not know the identity of that person, do you?
Well, they sign up using Facebook, so we got a list of Facebook users.
Okay, so you have a list of the people who have downloaded the app.
Yes.
Okay, so suppose somebody has a crush on somebody and the person wants to know who this person is. They can always come across to you and say, hey, I want to know who this guy is. What do you do then? Has something like this ever happened?
We can't do that. The databases are encrypted.
All right.
So we can't really peek into their personal data.
All right, that's very interesting, because I was going through your portal, and you must be facing some technical challenges in this app, because there was your privacy policies, and somebody also said that it takes some time to load the profiles. There was a certain amount of. So, what are the technical glitches that you're facing right now?
Well, inside our app, Facebook takes a bit of time to load the data.
Right.
Since the Facebook list that we are fetching.
Okay.
So, and we also go to an extent where your friends and their friends also get loaded into the app.
All right. All right. Before we go. All right. Okay. We'll talk about what more things you guys plan to come up with to make this app more and more user friendly and more easy. But before that, let's take a look at this very cute video of what exactly this entire thing of the whole policy or philosophy of anonymously expressing your love to someone actually means to people. Take a look.
Elope normally is, since I'm brought up in a conservative family, it means like, okay, it's banned, it's not supposed to be done. It's like a runaway basically relates to lovers all the time. So a boy and a girl eloped. That's the only thing when you hear elope, that's what comes into my mind.
I think eloping is not thinking about the consequences and just following what your heart tells you to do.
I think in today's world, you have to be brave enough to express love.
I think elope is much better than anything else.
Once you find true love, you should never let it go.
Express love. Express love.
Express love.
Express love.
Express love.
Express love.
Express love. Express love. Express love.
Express love.
Let's express love. So elope. Elope is all about doing things from the heart and not feeling the fear to express your love. That seems to be the Akash is agreeing with me. Yes, that is the basic philosophy. At least I have got it right. I just hope a lot of other people get it right too out there. But have you received any kind of flack from the conservative society? You know where I'm coming to. I'm slowly getting into this entire campaign of the kiss of love that happened in your very state. So you have a lot of people who are rigid, people who like to play moral guardians, and who like to do moral policing. So once this app was launched, what kind of resistance, what kind of flack did you get from such people?
Well, let's say this happens with everyone. Actually, everyone fall in love with someone in their life.
Yeah.
So, the idea was attractive for everyone. So when we told them that its name is Elope, it made them laugh. And I asked them, like, are you encouraging people to run away? And what I told them was, Elope represents people who are ready to leave everything behind for the ones they love. So we wanted to be standing as someone who supports that revolutionary way of loving people. And yeah, here and there, some people have come up with criticism, but mostly people really like it.
So you have received criticism, right?
Yeah.
Have you received threats? Has it gone more than just criticism? Have people threatened you with dire consequences if you keep this going?
No.
I think you're very lucky. I really think you're very lucky. Suraj is also laughing. Okay, let's take a look at some of the media clippings that came, once this app was launched. And then I want to ask Suraj about the whole Kiss of Love experience as well. So some of the media clippings we're going to show you coming up on your screen once this app was launched. Okay, Kochi's startup, all right, mobile love app Elope, Business Standard had come out with it very recently. Okay, mobile love app Elope launched 30th October. Kerala IT News, CIED Technologies launches mobile version of Elope. Kochi startup launches mobile love app Elope. Okay, so you have a lot of two things made easier for those bitten by the love bug. All right. Of course, the whole thing of anonymity is beautiful. Okay, Suraj, let me come back to you. Suraj, I have to get into the Kiss of Love campaign that happened very recently. How did you? Were you a part of it? How did you support it? Did you go? Were you there when that was happening?
We have not directly involved or supported the movement.
Yeah.
But then we are for the cause.
Yeah.
We support their cause or the intentions behind it. We believe, as a brand, we believe that expressing love, the freedom to express love, and the choice to make is a personal choice rather than a subject, rather than a common law or a. We don't think you should limit the basic idea of expressing love to a certain list of don'ts and do's. We think it's a personal choice, and nobody have a say or authority to prevent or encourage it.
Do you think an app like this can help people who just, because ultimately physical proximity is also important, right? The whole, the manner in which that cafe was vandalized, calling it a place, calling it a dating site. Now, probably your app helps in bringing people closer. helps
That
in
is
one getting the crush, but once the reciprocation has happened, people must meet, isn't it? They
Definitely,
can't keep
definitely.
romancing on your app. Sorry to say.
Definitely, we understand that.
Yeah.
But the idea behind creating Elope in the first place was this problem where people find it very difficult to openly, express it or
Yes.
convey it. Since we've been very, the most part of our nation's still conventional. They are suppressed with a lot of notions. Women and men, they don't interact the way they are supposed to be
Yes.
interacting. They don't know each other. They don't know how to even talk to each other. That puts them in a very difficult situation when it comes to an attraction, or an infatuation or a feeling towards each other. So that is exactly where we believe that we would fill the gap, where our product will serve as an icebreaker for two people. And once they realize that they are interested in each other, then they should take it forward. We are in future we are planning to extend our services for people who are in love too. But and the current status of the product only allows people to express their feeling.
Right. I was about to ask you that. What is next on the cards for Elope?
So our main idea is to bridge the gap between virtual dating with the real experience. That is where we thought we should introduce a gifting feature, or a gifting services or a services listing where we can actually help and suggest these people where to go or what to do. And the way, or we thought we could provide them useful information regarding relationships. What are the better ways they could do, how better they can make it, basically. A support system for people who are in love, in simple terms.
All right. So next on the cards is a support system for people in love where they can go, what they can do together and things like that,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
wonderful. That's wonderful. Okay, I also need to ask you, have people who have found each other, what have you been kind of monitoring that? Is that at all measurable in your app? People who have found each other and who have expressed their love for each other and who are a couple now?
Definitely. The thing is, when we launched our web version back in college, it went viral. In a very short time, it went viral. We got 25,000 users
Yeah.
Across India and a few other countries. And surprisingly, we had a huge conversion rate then, which was around 10%. That is 10 matches for every 100 users.
Okay, not bad.
So, yeah, and we have just launched a mobile version, so we are still analyzing and deriving the rate of conversions and such.
So basically,
But,
so you're trying to say that Akash told me that you have 34,000 plus users.
yes,
So that's 3,400 by 2, 1,700 couples. Am I right?
yeah, hopefully.
I think it's great. I think it's great. 1,700 couples have come together through Elope. I mean, I think that's wonderful. If you just do the basic math of it, I think it's wonderful, and congratulations are in order for you, Suraj. Akash, great job. Absolutely great job. And Akash, I do hope you are smiling and all of that. I would like to ask you, have you used Elope yourself, or have you been bold enough to tell the girl directly? I have to ask you this. You knew this question was coming. Come on.
Of course, I agree. I have crushes. I have crushes. Well, for the girl whom I'm in love with right now, she knows that I am the admirer.
Oh, so cute.
But still, I keep sending her songs, and I don't know whether she likes it or not. So that's part of my day, sending her songs.
All right, do make her watch this show. I hope she watches this show and then, things work out and she realizes and all of that. I think that'll be great. All right, so we know that now you're going to be doing this thing where you're going to be helping couples do things go places, and also some kind of a counseling, relationship counseling thing, or whatever it is, you guys are. But isn't there any apprehension, because especially in light of what has been happening, the fact that there are people who are, I'm getting back to the moral policing thing, because don't you think that though it's great technology, there is always the fear that there might be a clampdown?
Well, things are changing, obviously. Not many youth are into moral policing right now. I mean, I see everyone's talking against it. Even though some of them talk against kissing in public and showing off in public, but still, I don't think, but I think most of the people really support this part of expressing love.
So things are changing and you are an eternal optimist. That's all right. All right. Thank you so much. It was great having you guys, and I think it's such a cute app that you guys have come out with, and especially for that awkward age, the late teens and the early 20s, where people are still not confident about themselves or about each other. The fear of rejection that is so largely looming on people's heads. People, where you help so many people, and in a matter of a few months, we have got so many couples who have united and come together thanks to your app. Great, Akash. It was lovely talking to you and knowing about you and your app. Thank you so much. Suraj, thank you so much for joining us on India Post Live as well. And keep up the good work. I hope you can manage to tell more and more people throughout India about this, and like you said, you've got ambassadors, student ambassadors who are going places to talk about this device. I hope that really works out and the figure reaches 34 million very soon, not just 34,000. So all the best from India Post Live for that. Thank you so much, guys. And all of you, if you have any feedback about this app, do write into us at India Post Live. We will also share it with them. Send us your posts, your video comments, your tweets. It was great having both of you, Suraj and Akash. Thank you so much. And thanks to all of you for watching the show. Goodbye.